From Forex Traders Daily, this is your daily analysis with Ross Mullins, live from Richmond, Virginia.
Hello everyone, this is today's video analysis for March 16, 2018. Today we're taking a look at the EURUSD, the euro versus the US dollar for today's trade analysis. Over the past several days, we've seen the market a bit up and down here for the euro. It's been rising and falling throughout the past week and a half or so up here inside this black box. You can see actually going all the way back to mid-January where the market has been rallying and falling between the 122 level or so, a little bit underneath there, 121.80. But down to 121.80, the green zone at the bottom of the big black box, and 125.20 up here, the blue zone at the top of the big black box. Right now, we're right smack in the middle. Let's go ahead and zoom it in a little bit. See the black trend line falling, showing more of a bearish move over the past few weeks at least. More of a bearish fall, lower highs along that black trend line. So that's the direction, at least at the current moment, that we're focused in on, that falling black trend line. Even though we're in the middle of our long-term range since mid-January, we're looking more bearish than bullish. So what we're looking for are sells on rallies to resistance. Earlier this week, we took a short up here closer to the orange shaded area as it rallied up here towards the 124 level. Now it's a very similar situation. We see it breaking under the yellow zone, 123.40, 123.70, under the black trend line, under the yellow zone. We see the bounce on the pink zone today and rising back to 123.40. The pink zone, 122.95, 122.75. Just take a look not too far back. You see the two black circles. We know historically, and this is fact, that the yellow zone and the pink zone have been barriers before. We see resistance at the yellow zone, support at the pink zone, and that's where we are right now. So if we're going to make a trading decision today, I think we look to the left side, the left black circle, where we saw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days find resistance at that yellow shaded area, bouncing down the pink zone, because that was a bearish trend direction. We see it falling down. So if we're going to focus in on bearish trend direction, we're looking for it to stay underneath the yellow zone, 123.40. Really, the only reason it jumped up above 23.40.70, the yellow zone, earlier this week was when we had the Secretary of State changeover announcement. That's when that jumped up there. Since that announcement, we've fallen right back underneath it. So let's focus in on shorts into the yellow shaded area today. That again is 123.40.70. We'll target, of course, first the pink shaded area, 122.90, but clearly a breakdown of 22.90, 22.75, the pink zone. Look back at these blue boxes. Our next target becomes the green shaded area all the way down here towards 122. And of course, clearly the risk is a break back above the yellow zone. So if you decide to go short 123.40, risk is above 23.70, and we target lower levels potentially all the way down to 122 for the euro dollar.
From Forex Traders Daily, this has been your daily analysis with Ross Mullins. If you would like to get Ross's analysis on all the currency pairs he's watching and all the trades he takes today, join him in his live trade room by clicking on the link below. Please leave any comments you have about today's video in the comments section below.